the Sticky Waterfalls in Chiang Mai. I'll turn around so you can see them. There's Jennifer. So these waterfalls have like mineral deposits, so you can climb up them, up through the waterfall. So we're gonna check it out. Chiang Mai Grand Canyon.
Yeah!
It's a giant quarry that kind of has just been filled in by water, and now people swim here and do some cliff diving, and it's really pretty.
It is. I want to show you real quick. This is what it looks like from the cafe. Before a broken sign over there. So it's about an hour outside of Chiang Mai City
by motorbike.
By motorbike, and that's how we got here. We got lost quite a bit, and it probably took us like 2 hours to get here, but we made it. We're gonna go out and maybe rent tubes, and we can cliff jump here and just hang out for the day. 107, I think, or 106. Real feel is over 110. Super hot. Okay, I want to show you where we're walking now. Out onto the canyon. There's a climbing wall, but the water is really low. I don't know what they're doing. Some people out there swimming, and got my tube. I'm ready. Looks like we got us a bamboo table. Cool.
Yeah, last one. She just broke her toe again. From her tube. Do you need some help?
Grand Canyon was fun. My bike has ran out of gas. Literally on the highway. So I just pulled over and luckily there's some gas 600 meters up the street. So Sam went to go get some and... Did you get some? Yeah! My gasoline right there.
It was so hard for them to understand I wanted it in a bottle.
Oh, really?